What's going on, guys? This is the Garage Giant. Today we're performing our first mod on the Explorer ST and installing a J&L Oil Catch Can. This will make sure that the engine is clean and running strong for as long as possible. As a quick rundown, the 3.0 ST uses a PCV system that routes crankcase pressure back into the intake to be burnt off. The problem is that air carries oil vapors and moistures, which normally goes straight back into the engine. On a direct injection engine, that oil doesn't get washed away. It sticks, leading to carbon buildup and dirty intake components over time. The oil catch can reroutes PCV excess oil into a can instead of into your engine for burn off, so only clean air goes back into the intake. In the box we have the J&L Oil Catch Can with the pre-cut hoses attached. We also have the mounting brackets and screws. The first thing you want to do is locate the factory PCV line, which is located on the left side of the engine towards the back. There's going to be a latch on both sides that you will need to release and hold. Then you will need to pull on the hose itself. Just make sure you're careful, as this part can break easily on removal. This is the latch you will need to lift before pulling. Install the oil catch can bracket next to the ECU with the screw provided. I'm using a 10mm socket to tighten down the bracket. The left hose goes over the intake and the right hose goes under to mount to the PCV ports. Finish off by installing the remaining screws to hold the catch can to the bracket. Alright guys, we're about 1,000 miles since the catch can was installed and about 5,000 miles since my last oil change. I'm going to empty the oil catch can to show you guys what's inside. And this right here is exactly what we don't want going back into our intake. This is oil mixed with vapors and fuel, and this will be routed directly back into your engine for burn off. Instead, it's sitting right here in this can where it belongs. And this is what we collected after 1,000 miles. Imagine what this looks like after 10,000, 20,000 miles. This is why I recommend this mod if you're planning on keeping your Explorer ST long term. This is the Garage Giant. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll catch you guys on the next one.